Welcome back to Anterior. This week we're going to be rug tufting together and making a Christmas tree skirt. Claw Lab kindly sent me their rug tufting kit H1 to test out. So I think this Christmas tree skirt will be the perfect holiday project to test out this skirt. I'm so excited. Let's get to unboxing. Wow, everything's so nice and tidy and neat. It's like so satisfying to open. It comes with some wool. It comes with the backing for your rug. This is if it's going on the ground, which mine, oh, I wonder will I put this on? And then obviously it comes with the gun. Ooh. Comes with the muslin cloth or the rug backing, or what would you call that? But it comes with the material where you make the rug. And then it comes with the frame and manual. So let's get open and started. Let's see if the instructions are actually easy to follow. Place rods A and B. C1. You're not C1. See, this is why things should be labeled. This is big. C1, C1, B, B. Okay. I'm just gonna go with what I think it is. I was really worried there for a minute that this wasn't going to work on a round table, but lucky the frame does adjust to a round table, so that's good to know. First, I'm going to roll my fabric on the rod that's going to be going at the top. There's a little Velcro here that's just going to catch the fabric. I'm actually really enjoying setting this up. Hopefully making it will go as fun. I'm just lucky I have a projector, but you can draw whatever design you want on this fabric and that will be your rug. It is quite forgiving, so don't be too hard on yourself. Just the outline and the rug will do the rest. It is quite forgiving, so don't be too hard on yourself. From the last time I done it, / only time, I think that's what I remember. That was quite forgiving. So I'm just going to draw this outline of the shape of a tree skirt that I liked. Now I know it's gonna be really small, but all I needed to do is to cover the legs because I live in a condo and I don't have room for a big tree skirt anyway. So this will be perfect. Okay, I don't think that's too bad. The black line is going to be my green, and then inside I'm going to do all red. I think that's going to be cute, and I'm going to do red ribbon to close it. Yeah, I think this is going to be cute. Hopefully my wool fits into my gun, because it's a bit chunky. That's the only thing I'm scared. I should have checked that. Okay, I threaded it, and I'm going to test it out. I'm going, okay. Okay. Should I just go for it? Anne. No, I was way too confident there. Okay, yeah, you need to press. Okay, you need to confidently go in with pressure. Okay, it's not looking too bad. Okay, it looks like from here. I'm gonna keep on going confidently. This is pretty easy. I don't want to say it in case I up. Yeah, hold on now a second because this is already going off track here, missus. This is easy. It looks more, see, like I said, it's more forgiving this side. Okay. Ow! I'm just going to go in again, confidently. We're here for it. We're here for it. We're being confident. Did I speak too soon? I feel like I did. Now my wool keeps jamming. And not jamming how I like to jam. Okay. Obviously a lot of trimming needed, but this is what it looks like so far. I need to go in with my green. Okay, this is the back done. How can I show you the front? This is the front. This is how the Christmas tree skirt came out. I love the color so much, and I think it's actually the perfect size for my small condo. I find it's always hard to find Christmas tree skirts that aren't huge, and I don't have the floor space here. So this is the perfect size. Now I just need to trim off the excess material and glue the back. I have some wood glue. I seen another girl use wood glue and she said it worked out fine, and that is the only glue I have. So we're going to use wood glue and just go with it. I'm going to let that set overnight, and hopefully the rug will flatten out a bit and the glue will set. Tomorrow I will cut off the excess material. Okay, moment of truth. It's the next day. I let this set overnight, so let's see how it turned out. It's definitely flatter anyway, and it's stuck, which is what we want. It looks great. Okay, now just to trim off the excess. I can't wait to put this on my Christmas tree. I just have to get out of storage and to set it up. This tree is so cute. Oh my God, it's like perfect. I'm actually obsessed. I was going to add ribbons, but I actually don't think I will because it's seamless at the back. Whereas if I add ribbons, I will draw more attention to it, if you get me. I'm obsessed. I think that's not bad for my first tufting project. Thank you for tuning in today and learning to tuft with me. I had so much fun, and I think my Christmas tree skirt came out cute. I think it's perfect for that small little Christmas tree. Next week, we are decorating my home for the holidays, so you get back-to-back videos. Make sure you have your notifications turned on so you don't miss it. But until then, we'll see you. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.